फ्रांसिस्का तुमी मारगांवसान येयले हेका सपोर्ट करपाक आनी काल एक स्टेटमेंट केलो विजय सरदेसायान की आपूण कॅटल न्हू म्हणून म्हणजे वचोन हेज्या विश्वजीत राणाच्या बंगल्यार वचोन हें करपाक तर तुमी कशें कितें पळयता ते स्टेटमेंटाचेर.
He made a statement saying that he is not a cattle. Yes, we agree he is not a cattle. If he is not a cattle, he is a snake because we don't know when the snake goes in and comes out. So he should think before he talks. You know, his words that doesn't suit him when he talks like this. You know, being a MLA, he shouldn't talk like this. You know, because we are Goans. We don't behave like him. And also, I would like to say, I appreciate Manoj Parab very much because he has brought us into this, you know, and he has opened our eyes to save Goa. From 7 years he's fighting for Goa and all were criticizing him and saying many things to him, but today we can see the fruits of his, you know, how he has trained Viresh, Ajay and Vishwesh, everybody, how they are so well trained, you know, and they are really working for Goa, and he's training the RGP boys also, the youths also, the ladies also, you know, to come and save our Goa. That is very much appreciated by him, you know, and all credit goes to Manoj Parab because he's the one who has started this with the youngsters, and I hope he will keep doing this, whatever it may come on his way. He should follow with this and, you know, save our Goa. We depend on him to save our Goa. We depend on RGP. We depend on the young youths who are educated, and he's giving chance to them, you know, to come forward to do something in life. That is very much appreciated by Manoj Parab, and I thank Manoj Parab from the bottom of my heart for doing such things and bringing our Goans to know and to understand what 39A means. You know, which all the lands and properties which are being sold to outsiders. We don't need outsiders to rule over Goa. We need our own youngsters, our own Goans to rule, you know, Goa. So this is my message to all the youths also. Please come out and voice whatever you have to say, and let us save Goa by our youngsters, by our Goan youths.
So Francisca, yesterday we saw the other MLAs also participating in the protest. So why do you think that Vijay had and did not want to be part of that?
Yeah,
When the
because-
other MLAs, they were willing to go to the residence
Yeah,
of the minister.
Because I don't trust Vijay, you know. As I said, he's a snake. He will go underground. He will not come directly because his legs on both sides. His leg is in BJP also. His leg is in Congress
Congress.
also. So if Congress win, he'll go to Congress. If BJP wins, he'll go to BJP. We cannot trust him. He's the one who sold everything.
But Francisca,
He
there's,
sold
there's,
Goa.
there's, there's one thing. If there's alliance happening between all the opposition parties, and that includes RGP as well as Vijay's Goa forward. So that time, will it be okay?
This is not for me to discuss or decide. That is for Manoj Parab to do all this. This is not my this. You
Okay.
know, I have nothing to say on this because it is Manoj Parab and he knows better. He is the most educated one. He knows everything about land and Goa and everything, which our CM also don't know. Our CM is an outsider. What he can do and what he will save our Goa. He cannot save our Goa. You know, he has destroyed our Goa by selling our lands to the Delhi people. We don't want Delhi people coming here and ruling over Goa. We need our youths, all the youngsters, all who are in the RGP. You know, they are the educated people, the educated boys. We need them to come up, you know, and to save Goa.
Thank you.
हांव कॅटल म्हणल्यार तेजे विजय सरदेसायची एक हें सांगूंक शकता. कॅटल म्हणल्यार ताणें ते कॅटल न्हू ओके तो विजय सरदेसाय आनी विश्वजीत राणी ते सारके गोड जेन्ना ते गोडे आहाय तेन्ना तो विजीट करप ना आनी तो काय आमच्या मदें येवचो ना खरेंच सारकें सांगता जेन्ना विजय सरदेसाय 8-9 वर्सां आदीं तो TCP मिनिस्टर जाला तेन्ना तेणें हे सगळे रूल आतां 39 हे आहा हो लेटस्ट वन 2 years जाले तेज पयले हेणें रोल काडले रोल काडून ही सगळीं तेणें कामां करून गायलें आनी आतां तोच विश्वाजीत राणे तेगे हें फॉलो करता
म्हणजे त्याने स्टार्ट केलेलें म्हणटा तें
हेणें आख्खें गोंया पाळ करून गायलें पयलें कित्याक गोंय पाळ करून गायलें कित्याक ताका सगळे पयशे मेळटाले हे सगळे पयशे ताणें पयले कलेक्ट केले पयशे कलेक्ट करून पासून आमगे सेरावले पासून 17,450 स्क्वेअर मिटर एक शेत घेवन
कन्वर्ट
तें कन्वर्ट केलें तर ह्या मनशाक कोण पात येतालो हांवें पयलें आमगे मनोजा सांगलें तूं कोणाकू पाते पूण विजय सादाशाक केन्ना पात येनाच आतां पळोवपाक गेल्यार सारकें आमी सगळे हिंगा आहा हिंगा मिटींगे आनी तो एकलो ना तो म्हणटा कॅटल आमी कॅटल न्हू म्हणटा कॅटल न्हू म्हणजे कितें
तो सेम
आमी येयल्याय कित्याक
ना,
येयल्याय
सेम
कित्याक मागीर येयल्या हिंगा
सेम एडवायस तुमी आतां मनोज प्रभाक दितले बाबा एका पातये नाका म्हण या फुडें
होय हांव सदां म्हणटलो काय जाला ते तुवें लाती न्हू हिंगा तेच भाशेन जे हे जाल्या पळय हे जाल्या पळय आं MLA ते तर BJP वयताय हेच भाशेन सगलो लोक तेंगे गांवचो लोक घराक वचपाचो सगलो लोक घराक वचपाचो आनी हेच भाशेन ते एटॅक करपाक तांकां तूं आमी तुका एलर्ट केला तूं तुगे हें सीट सोड आनी तूं पोतून इलेक्शना पळय चोय आतां कितको पोतून एलेक्ट जाता ते एलेक्ट जातले
ना
ना